Dogecoin, Doge generally is a mineable coin that especially is as of now exchanged at $0.063761 per unit. With the market capitalization of $8,917,453,867, that certainly makes it a mid-position digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for genuinely enormous institutional financial backers, who in a real sense see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a most certainly powerful in every way that really matters fence against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they by and large thought. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its really current standings, as well as the midterm and really long-haul cost forecast? That certainly depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $0.063761, and this kind of specific computerized resource sort of stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide digital money positioning, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. For by and large your data, the truly positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and fundamentally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to get a by and large better sort of handle of the market circumstance and generally figure out the extremely broad course of the pattern, or to for the most part enlist its non-attendance, it's additionally vital to basically dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on June 20th, the cost of Dogecoin by and large remained at $0.062297 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.10% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost 7 days prior, on June 14th. The Dogecoin market truly remained at $0.061701 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Further appearance how computerized resources like Dogecoin for the most part have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for most certainly retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for enormous institutional financial backers who in a real sense see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a for the most part powerful support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy, or so they thought. As the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0%, comparable to its exceptionally present standing a month prior. On May 21st, Dogecoin basically was estimated at $0.072164, which generally corresponded with our cost expectation for that very specific period. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 11.64% cost move at the point when it in every practical sense comes to digital currencies. Market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its genuinely by and large prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an especially enormous manner. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to for the most part be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, in spite of mainstream thinking. It certainly is determined by duplicating the truly complete number of coins that by and large are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the especially current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by fundamentally remains at $0.063761 in a huge manner. Considering that equation, we truly have determined the truly current market capitalization of Dogecoin to especially be at $8,917,453,867, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those present on the digital money market. Yesterday, on June 20th, the market capitalization of Dogecoin remained at $8,711,442,600. Keep going week. On June 14th, the genuinely aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Dogecoin really was laid out at $8,623,02607 when the information from a month prior, enrolled on May 21st, shows that Dogecoin essentially had a market capitalization of $10,062,675,815, which most certainly is very huge. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that generally have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and basically are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' genuinely cool wallets in a fundamentally significant manner. The by and large all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which generally is very critical. It can in every practical sense be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the financial exchange, or so they generally thought. The all-out supply of Dogecoin right now basically remains at 139,858 406 384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply is the most usually involved commonly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It relates with the best guess of the very in general number of coins that most certainly are public on cryptographic money trades and certainly add to their liquidity, exhibiting that computerized resources like Dogecoin in a real sense have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration for especially retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for genuinely huge institutional financial backers who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an essentially successful explicitly support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unpretentious manner. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in kind of shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or especially put unavailable for general use in a genuinely significant manner. The circling supply explicitly is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, so it for the most part is determined by duplicating the by and large all-out number of coins that especially are as of now available for use, coursing supply by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now fundamentally remains at $0.063761, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this moment, the flowing stockpile of Dogecoin fundamentally is assessed at 139,858 406 384 Doge incredibly. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can especially assist one with essentially deciding kind of better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently certainly happen at the cost levels that sort of are joined by generally most certainly high volume, since those explicitly are the volumes where enormous cash certainly had especially become possibly the most important factor in an unobtrusive manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market generally was as per the following. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market generally added up to $284,626,744 in an